Hey everyone, welcome to another Bits video. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to the Windows search bar and show you how you can use that to make your life a little bit easier if maybe you're looking for something that isn't something you use every day on your computer, but you want to see what's going on with it. I'll give you an example. Let's say that you want to check the status of your Windows firewall. You know that there's a Windows firewall and it should be turned on, but you don't know if it is on your computer or not. So I'll give you an easy way to find that out without having to know where to find that setting necessarily. You can just come down here to the search bar, click it, and start typing. I'm just going to type in the word firewall. As I type, Windows is trying to find me suggested results that will show me what I'm looking for based on what I typed in there. And you can see right here is an option that says check the firewall status. So I'll just click that quickly. Windows opens up a section of the control panel that shows me the status of my firewall. In my case, it's turned on. If you see a red check mark here, it's not turned on. You might want to look at that. But you can see that I got right to that specific part of Windows without maybe necessarily knowing how to find it. I'll show you that again. I'll just use a different example this time. Let's say I just want to check on the status of my Windows updates. So I could just click this, type in updates, and here's my option that comes up that says check for updates. I could click that now. Windows will open up the Windows Updater, and I can now click this thing that says I need to go check for updates. Looks like I do on my computer. But again, I didn't have to know where the updates function was buried down in all the Windows menus. I was able to just search for it. And I can do that with applications as well. If I can't remember how to find Excel, or I got a whole bunch of applications, I can just type Excel, click here. Windows will open that application up directly for me without me having to go find it off the Windows menu. So if you kind of hate hitting the start button there and searching through a whole big tree of menus, the search bar can simplify your life a little bit and make it easier to jump to things. So I hope that was helpful a little bit. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you the next time around.